Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican style carrot juice versus natural carrot juice. Here I have two different ones to show you. So this is a natural one, which is unsweetened, and this is the one that is sweetened. So I'll take you through the process. So sit back, relax, and do enjoy this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Jamaican style carrot juice. One sweetened and one unsweetened. The sweetened one will use a bit of condensed milk, nutmeg, vanilla, pinch of salt, and I will take you through the process. First, here we have some carrot. I have about 700 grams of carrot. You can use as much you want, depends on how strong. The more carrot, the more it's better. What I'm doing here, I'm just prepping my carrot by removing the top and remove the skin of the carrot to make this lovely, delicious and tasty, refreshing carrot juice. So normally in Jamaica, this type of carrot juice would be like one of our Sunday treats. We're always looking for a mother to make this particular carrot juice because this is tasty and delicious. What I'm doing here, I'm slicing up my carrot. Make sure to cut it up as small as possible. Back then when I was younger, my mom would grate this using a grater, a hand grater. But now, you have blender juicer. So I'm cutting this up, and the reason for cutting this up small is to help the blending process. So I'm just putting these that I cut up in a separate bowl, and then I'm gonna get my blender. You can use a juicer if you want, but I prefer to do it this way. So we're going to load our carrot straight in our blender, and I'll be adding some water to help the blending process. Once you see how I made this, remember to try both of them and you'll taste the difference. Ensure to blend it well to get the maximum strength of the carrot. So we're gonna blend this until nice and smooth, and then for me, I'm gonna pass it through a sieve or a strainer, whatever you want to call it, whatever you have. If you have a cheesecloth, that's even better. So I'm gonna pass it through. Normally I pass mine through about 2 times just to get it perfect. But this video is all about Jamaican style carrot juice versus natural carrot juice. 2 delicious ways to enjoy your carrot. Let me know in the comment section how you like to make your carrot juice. How do you enjoy your carrot juice? And if you do find this video of any help to you, ladies and gentlemen, please do consider to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment, and remember to thumbs up the video. So with this, the remaining you can use it to make carrot cake if you choose to. So what I'm doing now, I'm just pouring. This is a natural one. So I'm just filling up my glass with the natural one, because the next one I'm going to show you how to add your sweetness to this one. So the natural one will just keep it simple by not adding nothing else to it. So for the sweet one, we're going to use some condensed milk. So we're using old-fashioned style. So remember to adjust your condensed milk to your taste, sweeten it to your taste. I'll be adding about 1.5 spoons of vanilla extract, and I'll be using my favorite spice, which is nutmeg. So I like to grate my nutmeg because you get that fresh, lovely, strong nutmeg flavor out of this. And also for a little bit of balance, you'll need to add a little bit of salt to it. All that is personal preference. I'm using a whisk because a whisk helps to get everything in the bottom and to incorporate everything. So just a little pinch of salt. If you have Celtic salt, please do use that. Wow, very nice, very delicious. I'm just filling up my glass now, and you can see the difference. One look a little bit lighter, and of course, it's gonna taste different. Especially once this chill, you will enjoy it more. On a Sunday, this would be a treat with some lovely rice and peas and curry goat or brown stewed chicken or oxtail. Let me know in the comment how you like that, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching.